Do you want to take your video production on next level? Well, you're on the right place because today you're gonna get all-in-one package for video creating. Now, what is this package? All-in-one package is a perfect motion graphics collection for creating any kind of slideshows, openers, social media stories, or title sequences for all sorts of audience. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TV, just anything. Over 6,000 elements will bring your video production to another level. It is so easy to use that any kind of user with any kind of experience can do it. From those who just started a YouTube video blog to video editing professionals who value their time. So here's what exactly you're gonna get in this package. Over than 6,000 motion graphics elements for After Effects CC 2019 and higher, which is powered by Atom X extension with one-click workflow, having auto-resize, responsive design, containing colored text, timing controls directly on the panel, easy drag and drop installation, also with comprehensive video tutorials included in the package. And my friends, this is all for free. No purchasing, no download payment. So enjoy this. Alright fellas, if this video was helpful for you, please subscribe the channel.